Getting good at this, guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to LN DIYs. We did an Easter inspired floral arrangement, ding ding, right up here. But today we're gonna create a very unique over the table flower arrangement for Mother's Day. Check out all these lovelies we're gonna use today. Are you ready? I'm so ready. One very important tool that you'll need for this arrangement is the over-the-table rod. This I purchased at World Market. It's very easy to assemble. It comes in a long box. It has instructions. Follow them. All you need to do is screw on and attach on both sides to your dining table, then attach the long rod and secure it in place. This is the structure and the frame upon which we will be doing our flower arranging. For this arrangement, you're gonna need several different sizes of greens. In this case, I'm utilizing a very large camellia branch to install to create a dramatic look for Mother's Day. You can go to your front yard, backyard, grab a tree branch, all of that will work. These large branches I'm gonna attach utilizing zip ties onto the rod. So I'm gonna zip tie it here and continue to layer all the way in. And I feel like moms are, 99.9% of the year, they're giving everything of them away. I know, I'm a mom, right? And so it would be really wonderful to have one day where they're just fully celebrated. And I just wanted them to have an amazing, beautiful, remarkable experience. It's all about the layering. So now that we've finished our camellia branches, we're gonna add in our next layers using this. I'm just gonna stick these in utilizing the existing zip ties and then use a couple more additional zip ties just for added security. Layer 1 is now complete. Layer 2 is now complete. Now we're gonna be adding on layer 3, these beautiful yellow acacia flowers. Now that I've added my third layer, our over-the-table arrangement is done and complete. But I also want to put a couple bud vase arrangements on the table, so I'm going to show you a quick arrangement for that utilizing these really cool vintage milk glasses. Let's get started with the bud vase arrangements, but if you've never done flower arranging before, there's a couple tips that I'd like to teach you. Number 1, get this tool, Floralite. It's the liquid that you add into the water to extend the life of your flowers. You'll also need a rose stripper. This is to help remove all the thorns off of your roses. And always use floral shears and disinfect them prior to using them. I like utilizing an alcohol wipe to make sure that they're super clean. This way we don't infect the flowers prior to putting them into the vase. I've already filled this vase up with water and with the Floralite. Now I'm gonna start off with a branch of lilac because I wanna start off with something a bit tall. Look at how beautiful these are. Stick that in there. And then I wanna use one of these larger garden rose heads, cut it in a diagonal to increase surface area so that it can absorb as much water as possible and have it closer to the base. So beautiful. Add that in. Ready for a tip? Let me show you a tip. These tulips are wonderful as a beautiful traditional flower, right? One of my mom's favorites. But we've always used them in an arrangement just like this. But let me show you how you can make them a little different. You take each petal and you flip them inside out so they stick out like that. And you keep going all the way around, and all of a sudden your tulips have a little bit more of a modern look. What? And that completes our floral arranging session here. The bud vases are complete. Our over-the-table arrangement is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment below, like, and share. Hi everyone! Welcome to my Mother's Day brunch setup. Check out all of the wonderful DIY videos that we have for you on YouTube and Instagram. First of all, beautiful tea sandwiches, our oil diffuser sets for gifts, our tea botanical sets, our twist on mimosas, and don't forget, we also have all of this from top to bottom, how to do your flower arrangements over the table and also right on top. Let's face it, all the moms need a drink on Mother's Day. So I'm gonna pop this up. Oh, did it again. Booyah. Oh shoot, oh shoot. On every video, I always finish off with, try it, have some fun, and make it yours, right? Well, this is a perfect opportunity to bless your moms in a way that makes it theirs. I'm Korean American, and I really wanted to incorporate a little bit of my heritage into this very traditional English setup. And so right over here, you'll notice some Korean rice cakes. I really wanted my mom and my aunts and my grandma to be like blessed by seeing a little bit of themselves on this table. And if you're able to incorporate that in the form of food, why not? So remember to subscribe, right? Comment, like, share, and check out all of the other DIY videos because we've got more stuff coming at you and so much more. So check it out, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at the next video. Bye!